Okay, let's see. I have a box. A box. This box is from trytreats.com. Oh my goodness. They are a subscription service where they send you a different box of treats from a different country from around the world once a month. And they have sent me treats from Japan. There is a couple of cards in here. This is a postcard. It says, "Welcome to Japan." Picture of Mount Fuji. That's nice. Okay, and this looks like a card of the list of treats that's in there. We're gonna try them. And check out the box, check out the box. All kind of treats in here, and it is packed. Okay, it is packed. I don't have a clue what's in here, and most of the packaging is in Japanese. So we're getting ready to have fun tasting this, and they also offer a 15% discount with coupon code Chef Pam if you guys want to try some snacks from around the world. I'm going to try to pair this up with what's on this card as well. Let's see, let's see. This is interesting. Let's see if I can match it up. You know, most of the words on the card are in Japanese too. So we kind of have to do context clues and look at our pictures. This looks like it is a Yuki no Yada cracker. I know I'm sorry. I know I'm probably saying this wrong. I apologize to Japan, but I am trying, okay? Let's see. It says crispy and savory, and it doesn't say anything about the flavor though. It's like a rice cracker, I think. Okay, so let's open it and see what we have. It almost looks like it has icing on it to say it's savory, so I'm not sure what that is. See that? That's the way it looks. And let's see, I'm gonna do this over here so I won't place crumbs everywhere. Oh, 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 oh. Let me grab a napkin from my lap. It's hard, and you all know I cannot bite anything on the front of my teeth, so we will not be biting these snacks, but we will be breaking them if we can. So if I can't break it, how am I gonna bite it? Woohoo! Okay, it's broke. Let's see what we got. We're gonna eat the small piece first. I guess y'all say she eating it, it must be good. Not bad. Not bad at all. It tastes like a cheese puff or I call them corn curls. That's not what you call them. Like a Cheetos. It kind of tastes like a hard Cheetos. Not necessarily flat in flavor. You know, when ours get hard, they get stale. Not necessarily stale or flat, but it is hard. It's okay. Let's move right along. There's more in here. This is another one. Let's see which one. This one is shrimp cracker. Shrimp cracker. I think there's two of these in here. I know I saw more than one. Did I see? Yep. And this one's already broke, so we opening this one. Shrimp cracker. Let's see how this tastes. Okay. Let's see what we got. Shrimp cracker. That's what it looks like. It tastes like shrimp. It really tastes like shrimp. I mean, they got the flavor down pat. Real crispy, real hard, but it tastes like shrimp. Not bad. Here's another cracker of some sort, and this one is Texas corn? I don't think that's what that is. No. This is another rice cracker. But I don't see what the flavor is, so let's just try it. Maybe I will be able to tell what the flavor is when I try it. Let's see here. That's what this looks like, almost like some kind of sesame type of cracker. See if I can break it. Okay, I don't know why that first one was really hard. I don't know what this one is. Maybe I'll find out in the end, but we'll just set this one aside. Moving right along. Let's see. Woo! Let me see. Okay. This is some kind of cheese snack. It says on here, cheese. So I know what's in here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and taste it. I know they got their bags down pat. Do they not want me to open it? Okay, you know what? That is not happening. So, scissors. Because I can't tear it open. Okay. Oh. They look like our corn chips. Our corn chips. But they say they're cheesy, but that's what it looks like, but it's kind of puffed. Tastes like a Funyun. Not bad. I taste no cheese, but it tastes like a Funyun. I'm enjoying this. I like snacks from around the world. Okay. This is a Texas corn is the name of it. Texas corn. Okay, y'all. Japan getting in on Texas. How come y'all ain't in on the NC up here? Okay. This is a little puffy rice thing. Everything's like a puffy rice kind of thing. Okay, we've tasted it. The end. Moving right along. Ooh. I have some water just to rinse out if I need to. Okay. Let's see what this is. I have no clue again. I guess it goes this way or this way. I don't know. The people are going this way, but it looks like the writing. I don't know. We're going to see. Let me see if I can match this up. This is the... The pictures are so small. I don't know. Maybe I'll taste it when I taste it. Can't figure that one out. See if I can get this one open. I mean, you need some muscle to get into their bag, but okay. Oh, it's cute. Meow. This looks like a noodle. Looks like the rotini noodles. Let's say. Tastes just like a puff rice snack. That's all. And they put a couple more things in this box, but what's up, Japan? Y'all don't eat sweets? This is barbecue snack too. So let's try this. This is fun. Y'all trytreats.com. Y'all can send me another box from another country. I would love to do this again. I am having fun. I would love to try another box. Let me see. Okay, this looks like wheat thins or something that are curled. Okay. This tastes like barbecue potatoes. We can eat another one. Okay. We got Pokemon. I like Pokemon, y'all. We got Pokemon. I don't know what Pokemon is supposed to taste like. It says Pocket Monster. Just open up Pokemon and sing. Is there something sweet in here? Oh, it smells like a chocolate. We saving Pokemon for last. Don't let me forget to try Pokemon, but it smells like a chocolate cookie, so I'm saving Pokemon for last, okay? This is a gummy. It's some type of gummy. So let's break into the gummy. We're going to head back to Pokemon. Pokemon might have it going on there. And I cannot tear this open, so we will cut it. Let's see here. Oh. It's still in a thing. Let's see if I can peel off the back here. Okay. I want to get to this little star up here, so I don't have to break off the rest of it. Oh, it's sticky. It's not peeling off like whole. Ew, sticky to my hand. This is gummy. The gummy's good. It tastes like regular gummy bears. And I like gummy bears. Yay! We like this one. Okay. Let's see, what's this? Okay, it's got a crab on the front. So I have to assume it's going to taste like crab flavor. We shall see. Let me wipe my hand off from that gummy. Woo. Okay, let me see. I need to cut this. Okay, this is amazing. Let's see. What other country y'all got? I want some more snacks, y'all, from another country. I want to do this again. This is wonderful. And if you all want to try this box or subscription, 15% off, Chef Pam at checkout. I'll have a link down in the description. Woo! Mr. Crab is strong. Now we're back to Pokemon. We're going to rinse before we get to Pokemon, though. Just rinse a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to break this if I can. Oh, it's soft. It's like I went to break it all hard, like the crackers, and it just broke. Look like it got chocolate chips in it. It's so tiny. I knew what I was doing. Say the best for last. I know my flavors. But y'all could put more of those in the box. I'm just saying. That is delicious. It gets my happy dance. Delicious. Trying these treats from treats.com was really, really fun. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today while we tried our treats from Japan. Don't forget to check them out. This is amazing. Yes, we are trying treats from Japan. Awesome, 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 and amazing. Yes. Okay, I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.